Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a really quick, simple, and easy recipe to make some amazing lentils. There's so many benefits to this. So you're going to start off with some dry lentils. You're going to give them a quick rinse, run them under some water, and then in a pot with a lid, you are going to add 2 garlic tooths, a quarter of an onion, and fill up the pot with around 3 inches of water. So depending on how confident you feel about your salt, you're going to add salt at this point. I'm using here some chicken bouillon flavoring as my salt, and that's it. I just give it a nice stir to make sure that the chicken bouillon gets integrated into the lentils and everything's really nice. And at this point, I'm going to cover the lentils and let them cook for 15 minutes. And this is going to be over a medium-low heat. So if you weren't comfortable salting your lentils in the beginning, right now would be a great time to start the salting process. You can see that the lentils are not fully sprouted yet. They're not fully cooked. They're still looking a little bit hard, and the broth is not as murky as it should be. Right now would be a good time to sprinkle in your salt or your chicken bouillon, and I'm just going to cover them up and check on them in a few minutes. So as you can see here, I let them boil for 20 more minutes on a medium-low heat, and you can see that the lentils are looking nice and sprouted. The broth is a lot darker. The onion is looking translucent, and the garlic is nice and soft. They are ready. This is a pro tip right here. I have these glass mason jars that I absolutely love from Ball brand. They come with measurements. This one right here is for freezing. It is a wide mouth jar. I love these lids right here. They're from Ball. They're leak proof, freezer proof, reusable, so you don't have to constantly buy anymore. I get the lentils that were left over, and guys, I put them in these jars. I wait until they cool and I freeze them. So in a few days, I don't have to make extra food. I could just feed my kids the leftovers, and all you do is heat them up in the stove. They're amazing. I highly recommend you guys do this. And that's it, friends. It took roughly about 35 minutes from start to finish, and lentils are an amazing source of B vitamin. They're rich in iron, potassium, zinc. They're also really nice, high plant-based protein that goes well with everything. I usually pair with a salad, and for the kids, if they don't want to eat a salad, I'll go ahead and just cook up some Spam, cut it up in thinly sliced pieces, fry it, and then they can go ahead and munch on the nice crispy Spam as they're eating their amazing lentil soup. So I hope you guys give this a go. Go ahead and like, comment, rate, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.